Never had a bitch like me, you like it. Never had a bitch like me, you like
High volume. High volume.
Never had a bitch like me, you like it. Never had a bitch like me, you like
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she
Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is the last day of our yoga every damn day challenge. You deep inhale through our nose. Inhale. Exhale out the mouth. Maybe that left forearm comes down. Gaze up towards the sky. Lift those hips up and back. Lower your chest down in between the shoulders as much as you can. Maybe your chin comes down to the ground. Maybe your chest comes down. Together, bring the knees wide. Let's come down to a child's pose. Just let your body surrender in your child's pose. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. In your down dog.
How the fuck is she doing?
Bring your gaze up in and then come to a plank. And then press those hips up and back. Come to down dog. Good. Let's do it a couple more times. Around forward. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. In your down dog. We'll jump back to a plank position. And we'll lower through our chaturanga. Feel free to drop the knees down first if you need to. So inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, make your way back to down dog. Good. Couple breaths in your down dog. We're down. Hinging forward, come in a humble warrior. So you can let that shoulder rest on the knee if possible. Arms can come up behind you, or just rest down as much as you can.
Okay, so I got my orange juice and I got this brown dye because my ends are starting to look crazy. And then, of course, we're gonna need some moisturization afterwards. So let's get into it.
Now don't play with me. Now you know that money was for emergencies.
That's what I
Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga, don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot in Treasure Tree. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her neck to me. I did a walk, threw that shit to jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my jewelry. One of my arms run particular. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with a deuce 5, mama keep my ass bro. Break yourself, you was right on the dance floor. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping.
I'm gonna play it while your toes down. Care what you're saying, speak your mind. Tell me what you like.
Curly Sue. Shake them jets, hey. And then you said them other things, and nails that she did. Alright, I was trying not to leave the house today, but my Brussels sprouts went bad, so I don't have no vegetable in the refrigerator, and I'm like, I want some vegetables with my sweet potatoes. So I'm going to Target just like this and ask me, do I care? Cause no, I don't.
You've been gone, I'm in all alone. I'm not here, you know they left me drowning. Please, baby, I'm begging for you to stay at home tonight. Let's start a love again,
So I made like a stuffed sweet potato with chickpeas and Brussels sprouts and onions, and then of course I gotta have my avocado on the side. So yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner. It looks so good.
Has never did it, but you being who you are, or there, so much so that I forget the album, but the first beginning of the album, you had a skit, Rebirth, and I'm like, yo, give me this baby, like that's, and then she's
Okay, so I just got my PR package from, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Elfric Eden. And I'm so excited to try these on. So cute. Oh my God.
Give you all my love. Crazy,
When I come through it, you decide. When I come through it, you decide. Won't you come play with my mind? You think you
And then we're back.
You guys want olive oil and salt on it?
Yes.
Take a deep inhale through the nose. One more deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to
About to go to brunch. And I just love this dress so much. It's from Shein. You already know. And the body is bodying. Okay, do you see what eating raw till 4 does? And working out Monday through Friday. And doing yoga. And just being sexy and healthy. I love it. Okay, you see the green juice. But anyways.
Look, I guess we both decided to wear our dresses today.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you do. Hi. Hey. My beautiful date. Okay.
That's what I need to be eating.
What I wanted versus what I got. Oh my gosh. Look how they tried me with this little avocado. I should have brought my own avocado. You know. I got the package, I got the goods. Now we gotta go to Trader Joe's and get the rest. Cause I only get my avocados from either Target or Trader Joe's, but preferably Trader Joe's because Trader Joe's just has the best like avocados for some reason. But yeah, and I'm gonna get a few other things from there and then yeah. Water's in the cup holder.
That's it? That's the only thing that's there?
Yeah.
Can I go get some?
Yes. Take your shoes off. Take them. Okay.
Yeah, if I fall, Duty, where you going?
You tired?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.